may milk plug. Number 1, breakfast. One fried of egg, nutrients, protein, vegetables, eggplant, fruits, banana, greens, 2 cup of rice, dairy free, milk, fats, monic oil sa 1 fried egg. Lunch, chicken, tinola, protein, vegetables, malunggay, fruits, manga, greens, 3 cup of rice, dairy, yogurt, fats, monic oil sa chicken, tinola. Dinner, fried tilapia, protein, vegetables, long beans, fruits, banana, greens, 2 cup of rice, dairy, milk, fats, and oil sa fried of tilapia. Fruits,